So it is a Tuesday. It's actually the start of spring break for many students in the San Antonio area. The plan today is to visit 2 theme parks, Six Flags Fiesta Texas as well as SeaWorld San Antonio. I'm currently in the parking lot of SeaWorld. Want to go check out rescuejr, their new kids play area. Then I'm going to hop over to Fiesta Texas and ride Cyborg. If you saw my last video, I checked out the new DC Universe but didn't get to ride Cyborg. Let's go inside. The parking lot's pretty crowded, so I'm thinking lines may be kind of long, but let's check it out and see how it is. So SeaWorld is going to be open every day now through March 23rd. Today's Tuesday, March 11th. Again, a lot of students have spring break this week, and I know a lot of them have it next week as well, but definitely bring the family out if you're looking to have some fun this spring break. So we have the 7 Seas Food Festival coming up. I do plan to be coming back out to SeaWorld to check it out, try out the food, and give you a review. Now, SeaWorld's Aquatica is currently open. They're normally open from 11 a.m. till 6 is the operating hours, but it does depend on the day that you come. So you can definitely check out the website if you want to see when they are open. There's a lot of people going into Aquatica today. It's a little warm out here, but I think it'll be a little bit before I make a trip to Aquatica. Just gonna wait till it starts rolling on the train to show you guys what it looks like in action. Here's a look at the beach shore. This is a splash pad. As you can see, they don't have any water or anything on right now, but I'm sure during the summer this place is going to be plenty packed with a ton of people out here. You see Sea Splash over there. If you can remember, this whole area used to be like a Sesame Street jungle gym, and SeaWorld's kind of moving away from the Sesame Street characters. They have the Seabird swing over there. I'll walk over there. I don't think that one's open. The website says it's temporarily closed. Here's a line for Beach Rescue Racer. Quite a bit of people in line right now. So it's so much different looking from when they had all of those ropes out here, that big jungle gym play area a few years ago. You can see they have this big grassy area. Not sure if they plan to put anything here, but they got a couple new trees that they're trying to sprout up. They do still have the stage where they used to have the Sesame Street characters. I'm sure they have some performances over here, probably some character meet and greets, but right now it doesn't look like they have anything going on. Actually, I think they have some conservation over here. So right over here you had a Seabird swing. This one again is not operating at the time. This just opened on Saturday. It's a Tuesday. I was out of town, so I didn't get to go to the grand opening, but this is not open yet. I'm sure it'll be open sometime soon. Looks pretty cool. And over here we have the tide pool tumbler. There's the SeaWorld rescuejr carousel. They've always had a carousel here. It's just rethemed a little bit. Here's a look at the carousel up close. You can see they've added a new play area in this splash pad. Looks really nice. Again, during the summer, I'm sure this is going to be plenty packed, but this is a really nice addition to the park. So just talked to someone at SeaWorld and they said that the splash pad will be opening in a couple days. So again, today is March 11th, so you'll probably have some time to check it out during spring break. So I just got off of Beach Rescue Racer, the newest roller coaster here at SeaWorld San Antonio. I had a lot of fun on that ride. I will say I'm about 5 feet 11 inches tall and it was really tight on my knees. It does have a lap bar and I'm sure for kids, because it is a family attraction, it'll be fine for, but if you're a little bit on the taller side, it may be a little tight, but nothing that was like too concerning, but just wanted to make that observation. I think this is a great addition to the park and I think that you'll love it, especially if you have a family with a lot of kids. It's not like a little tiny coaster, but it's not super big either. I would say it's kind of in the middle. It's got several twists and turns throughout the ride, which were really fun, and a little bunny hill at the end that you go over, and you can kind of feel some of that gravitational pull or some of those G-forces. Really reminds me of the wave breaker if you've been on that ride here at SeaWorld, like a smaller version of that, but definitely had a lot of fun on it. I would definitely check it out if you come. Right in front of us we have the Ocean Quest Express, which is a little railroad, a little train station. Let's go over here and see if we can get a good shot of it. Here's a look at the tracks as it's coming around. Also want to point out that right near the splash pad there is a large area with plenty of tables and seating. As you can see, it's absolutely empty right now. It does have a covering, but it's not shaded or anything, but I can imagine during the summertime going to be a lot of folks sitting out here eating some food, having some drinks, and just relaxing during the summertime. Such a beautiful day out here, about 83 degrees in San Antonio. It was a little breezy earlier, but it doesn't feel that breezy right now. A lot of people enjoying their spring break. This is the most people I've seen at SeaWorld probably since Howl-O-Scream. Didn't see this many people the last few times that I've come, but it's such a lovely day. No rain, no overcast, no clouds. Perfect day to enjoy SeaWorld. While I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and check out Wave Breaker before I head over to Six Flags. So we're actually gonna skip Wave Breaker today. Line is way too long. It's about 5 o'clock and I need to get over to Fiesta Texas. SeaWorld closes at 8, Six Flags closes at 9. We should have plenty of time to get over there to ride Cyborg. And before I forget to mention, I just want to let all of you know that I do have a few videos that I made a while ago that have not come out. They'll be coming out soon. That's going to be Mardi Gras Festival at Six Flags, as well as Mardi Gras Festival at SeaWorld, which I went to about 3 weeks ago. Also recently went to Dallas and Houston and made a little vlog. So make sure you're subscribed if you want to see those videos. They'll be coming out soon. So we have made it to stop number 2, which is Six Flags Fiesta Texas. Walking in right now, but I'm gonna get a cool shot of Goliath. So I just got off of Goliath, or should I say Chupacabra. As you probably know, this is being rethemed to Chupacabra. They still have the Goliath sign up, I'm sure they'll be taking it down any day now. At the entrance it says Chupacabra. But of course this statue right here still says Goliath. Here's a shot of the rethemed Poison Ivy.
Hyperdrive entering hypertime.
Stop this now!
My apologies, Victor.
Not this time!
How can you not love these beautiful waterfall views on top of the quarry wall coming down over the train? The train's not there right now, but it does go through that quarry wall. This is just absolutely stunning. This has to be one of the best views in this park for sure. So I was just trying to get some better lighting here. I just got off of Cyber Revolution. The ride was absolutely amazing. I will say that you feel that gravitational force. You get those G-forces on the ride for sure. So it is a step up from like a kiddie ride. I do think it's something the whole family could enjoy. You know, if you like that type of feeling. Did take a while to get on the ride. Took probably about an hour. But don't let that deter you from getting on it. It is absolutely amazing. And I do think it's worth the wait. It does kind of have that Ferris wheel type of load system. So people get on at the bottom, then it circles up to the top. Then when the people at the top, they're waiting at people on the bottom to load. So that's why it takes a little bit to get it going. But once it's going, it's absolutely amazing. I'll definitely be riding that one again. Try to get on that one early if you come to the park and it's busy, because I can definitely see that ride getting backed up as we get deeper into spring break as well as summer. Who's ready for Fright Fest 2025? Look how all the buildings are lit up with all these lights. Reminds me of Christmas. So I had another fabulous day at Six Flags Fiesta Texas as well as SeaWorld San Antonio. I think this is the first time I've actually done both parks in one day that I can remember. If you got any value out of this video or just any entertainment at all, please consider subscribing to the channel. And also feel free to check out the video that's going to be here in the corner. That was when I went to DC Universe to check out all of the brand new rides here at Six Flags. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. We'll see you in the next video.